Welcome to the Northern Cape Info Directory. This directory on the Northern Cape covers information from advertisers on accommodation, activities, restaurants and businesses. The province is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the west and Namibia to the north, with Botswana in the northwest. The Northern Cape is South Africa's largest province, taking up about a third of the country's total land area, home to many national parks and conservation areas. We have over 350 online marketing directories across South Africa, targeting provinces, towns, regions and routes. Listing your business on these directories is just a click away. The cost to subscribe covers a 12-month membership with no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions. Your business will be listed on up to 10 different marketing directories. A listing includes a direct link to your website, email addresses and social media, as well as a location map and up to 20 photos of your business, including your logo. Your listing is totally personalized to reflect your brand and business. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exciting travel information on South Africa. Contact us for more information.